slime girl. This is my first video. I'm super excited. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix your hard borax slime. So what you're going to be needing for this is your hard borax slime, a bowl, and then you're going to be needing hot water. But when you're using your hot water, be sure to be very careful and use parent supervision the first time in use. So let's get started. So first what you're going to do with your slime is you're going to take it and dip a very little end into the slime and then start kneading it until the right consistency. If you're one of those people who doesn't like sticky slime, then when you're done adding all your borax solution, then add a little drop of borax solution. Then just if you want to add paint, drop only a teeny bit in there. Otherwise, it will make it super sticky and super stretchy. If you like it to be sticky and stretchy, then that's the right thing for you. Thanks, guys. Like and subscribe. Bye.